So today's topic is telecommunication. Tele means far away from us, and communication already we have discussed about English at different places, and how it is different from that communication and this communication. So do you have any idea about telecommunication? Telecommunication. So we have already discussed in previous session about English at different places. So in that English different places also, we have discussed about communication. So we have discussed communication. Uh, we discussed different kinds of communication: downward communication, upward communication, and diagonal communication, horizontal communication, formal communication, and informal communication, and communicating at different places. We have already discussed. So now we are discussing telecommunication. So do you have any idea about telecommunication? What do you mean by tele? We have telephone, television, and this is telecommunication. So we have telephone, television, and we have already know about the word telegram. So all these words, how this communication is different from other communications, what we already learned, what we have already learned. Do you have any idea about telecommunication? So someone. Telecommunication. So okay, tele means from far away, and from distance, communication from a distance. So ఇప్పుడు కమ్యూనికేషన్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు వన్ టు వన్ కాన్వర్జేషన్స్ చూసుకుందాం. కాన్వర్జేషన్స్ అంటే కాన్వర్జేషన్ బిట్వీన్ డాక్టర్ అండ్ ద పేషెంట్, అండ్ at మెడికల్ స్టోర్. అండ్ ఇవన్నీ ఏంటంటే ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్ కమ్యూనికేషన్స్. ఇవి కాకుండా వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫార్ అవే. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ టెలిఫోన్, సో టెలిఫోన్లో కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఫ్రమ్ డిస్టెంట్ ప్లేస్, ఏదో కొంచెం డిస్టెన్స్ ఉన్న ప్లేస్లో వీల్ కెన్ లెర్న్ ఓన్లీ ద సౌండ్స్. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఎదురుగా కమ్యూనికేట్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు ఏంటంటే వీ విల్ స్పీక్. దెర్ ఈస్ నో హెల్ప్, వీ డోంట్ నీడ్ ఎనీ హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ అదర్ మీన్స్ లైక్ సిగ్నల్స్‌ని పాస్ చేయాల్సినయి, ఇవన్నీ కూడా మన ప్రాసెసింగ్ అంతా వన్ టు వన్, ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్ అయిపోతుంది. వెరస్ కమింగ్ టు వెరస్ ఇన్ టెలికమ్యూనికేషన్, దట్ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ డిస్టెన్స్. సో you get an idea. So what is పట్టుకొని ఉన్నారు చూసారా? సో టెలి అంటే ఫ్రమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ నుంచి, అవి ఎలా అంటే సిగ్నల్స్ నుంచి త్రూ ద సిగ్నల్ వి కెన్ గెట్ ఇద్దరు పర్సన్స్ మాట్లాడుకుంటారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వి బోత్ ఆర్ స్పీకింగ్, నేను మీతో మాట్లాడాను. సో హౌ ఇట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ అంటే ఇట్ కెన్ బి with the help of signals, transmitters, receivers. Also we can interact with each other. That is nothing but telecommunication. So ఇక్కడ చూసారా, transmission information that allows for communication between people who are separated by distance. So distance నుంచి కమ్యూనికేట్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ అయ్యేది telecommunication. So we have seen the types of communication that's different and this different. How it is different? And it's from distant people from distant places can communicate with each other with the help of telecommunication. So concept of telecommunication, look at this. The message may be voice, video, images, etc. So if you have seen this image, you can get an idea what is telecommunication. Telecommunication అంటే it passes distant people మధ్య నుంచి it may be a call, video or conference, image అవ్వచ్చు, video అవ్వచ్చు, everything అది పాస్ అయ్యి సిగ్నల్స్ పాస్ అయ్యి రిసీవర్ రిసీవ్ చేసుకుని అగైన్ it sends to other device. ఒక డివైస్ నుంచి it sends all the signals in the form of waves, atla sound waves. We have some software technology, some there, no, avi signals pass ayi very device it is collecting. So we can communicate like this. So electronics is the main electronics lo development to we can ఇలాంటి ఒక టెక్నాలజీ అనేది డెవలప్ అయింది. ఫోన్ కాల్, వీడియో కాన్ఫరెన్స్, ఇప్పుడు మన జూమ్ కూడా అండ్ వాట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో టెలికమ్యూనికేషన్. సో డిస్టెంట్ ప్లేసెస్ నుంచి, సో ఐఎమ్ ఎట్ సమ్ ప్లేస్ అండ్ మీరు ఇంకో ప్లేస్లో ఉన్నారు, బట్ వీఆర్ కమ్యూనికేటింగ్ విత్ ఈచ్ అదర్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ telecommunication. So this definition. Telecommunication is communication at a distance by technological means, particularly through electrical signals or electromagnetic waves. So transmitter నుంచి receiver నుంచి others. So electromagnetic waves నుంచి information అనేది pass అయ్యి process అయ్యి other device కి చేరుతుంది. This is telecommunication. So this is different from communication what we have learned previous. That is communication within, అంటే మనం face to face communication ఇదేమో ప్లేస్ నుంచి కూడా చేయడం telecommunication. సో ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్స్మిటర్ నుంచి రిసీవర్, ట్రాన్స్మిటర్ passes electromagnetic waves. These are signals, and then so what is the concept of telecommunication? The telephony, the internet, radio, television, and data transmission via computers are all part of the telecom sector. So చూసారా, ఏదైనా కమ్యూనికేషన్ అనేది ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ వేవ్స్ నుంచి, సిగ్నల్స్ నుంచి కమ్యూనికేషన్ జరిగితే వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి, దట్ ఈస్ అ టెలికమ్యూనికేషన్. సో టెలికమ్యూనికేషన్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ అబౌట్ టెలిఫోన్. సో ఒక మిస్కన్సెప్షన్ ఏముంటుందంటే టెలికమ్యూనికేషన్ మీన్స్ ఓన్లీ త్రూ మొబైల్స్, మీన్స్ ఒక ఫోన్ టెలిఫోన్తోనే కాదు, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ సిగ్నల్స్ ని ప్రాసెస్ చేసి ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ వేవ్స్ తో సెండ్ అయిన ప్రతిదీ కూడా ఇట్ కమ్స్ అండర్ telecommunication. So internet, radio, television, telephone, everything comes under that, our communication అనేది. So the telecommunication plays an important role in the following sectors: education, banking, business, hospital, and government sector. So we have discussed about communication, right? So till now I haven't what we call the definition. the definition or the concept of telecommunication. So now to see that how it will be useful to us. How it will be useful to us. So టెలికమ్యూనికేషన్ అంటే మనకు తెలిసింది అండ్ ప్రీవియస్ కమ్యూనికేట్ అనేది చాలా కష్టమయ్యేది ఒక ప్లేస్ కమ్యూనికేట్ అవ్వడం అనేది ఇట్ టేక్స్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టైం బట్ నౌడేస్ ఏమైందంటే డ్యూ టు టెలికమ్యూనికేషన్ ద డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ అడ్వాన్స్మెంట్ ఇన్ టెలికమ్యూనికేషన్ మనకి చాలా యూజెస్ వచ్చాయి కెన్ యూ టెల్ దమ్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ యూ సో ఈ ఎడ్యుకేషన్లో కానీ సో ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పరంగా టెలికమ్యూనికేషన్ అనేది ఎలా యూస్ఫుల్ సో ఎనీబడి ఫ్రమ్ ద పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ you can raise your hand how it is useful to us. Anybody from the participants, just raise your hand. Manki, you okay. How telecommunication used in education system? Education ki telecommunication ela use chestunam? So nene participants pilchedam. If you raise your hand or else you can type your name in the chat box. I'll unmute you and you can speak on that. Okay, I'll call the name. Chandini Ichapuram. So you can unmute yourself, Chandini.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Chandini. Chandini, unmute yourself. Chandini Ichapuram. Unmute yourself and tell the uses of telecommunication. Manam telecommunication ni ela use chestunnamo anedi. Yeah, you can unmute Chandini. Now you can try.
Yes, ma'am.
Chandini. సో టెలికమ్యూనికేషన్ అంటే సిగ్నల్స్ నుంచి రిసీవ్ చేసుకోవడం అని చెప్పాను కదా సో అలాంటి టెక్నాలజీ మనకి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ లో ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది
ప్రజెంట్ చూస్తున్నారు మీకు మనం చేస్తుంది ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ లో చూస్తున్నాం కదా
yes you're right
and some information
yes so you said one example is that this virtual teaching so it has happened only because only with the help of telecommunication. Yes, you're right, Chandini. Yeah, thank you, Chandini. Thank you, Chandini. She has given one example. Chandini can be in mute now. So I'll select so next Divya GJC Guntur. Divya GJC Guntur. Mute yourself, Divya. Divya, unmute yourself, Divya. Someone raised hand. May I know who is that? I'll give chance to you. Yeah, Divya first. Okay, before that, K. Ramana, VNK GJC raised a hand. Now you can unmute, Ramana. You can unmute yourself, Ramana. You raised your hand. You can unmute yourself and you can speak now.
Hello, ma'am. Good
Oh,
morning,
hello,
ma'am.
Ramana. Good morning, Ramana.
Ma'am.
Yes. So how telecommunication helps us in education system? How
Ma'am, students give some project works from teachers, and students gather information
yes,
from internet.
yes, you said a valid point, Ramana. Yes. So we can get the information from the internet. So because it has happened only because of this, only because telecommunication, advancement in telecommunication. Very good, Ramana. Very good. Thank you for your. So Lahari GVJC Guntur. Now you can unmute yourself, Lahari.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lahari.
Ma'am, can I start, ma'am?
Yes, you can, Lahari.
Telecommunications are the means of electronic transmission of information over distances.
Yes.
The information may be in the form of voice, telephone calls, data, text, images, or video. Today, telecommunications are used to organize more or less remote computer systems into telecommunication networks. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. We'll see someone who raised. Divya, GNTK, Divya. Yeah, you can unmute yourself, Divya. K. Divya, GJC, Kavur. Unmute yourself. Divya. Okay, Durga Prasad. Durga Prasad, please unmute. Durga, please unmute yourself. So education system, in education system, our friends discussed the already said the importance how we can. Yes, who is that? Someone. Our friends share their opinion on how telecommunication helps us in education system. So one Chandini said an example that this is a virtual session and it is also with the help of telecommunication. And next one is sorry, we have another Ramana said that it is helpful in completing their yes, any other, we have many uses. We have many uses. GJC Pidugurala. GJC Pidugurala, please unmute yourself. At least one use you have to share with us. How it is helpful in education system. GJC Pidugurala. So please unmute yourself. Vandana. Yeah, yes, Vandana, you can. Vandana. Yeah, unmute yourself, Vandana. Vandana Giddalud, Senior MPC. Yes, Vandana, you can unmute yourself and you can speak now.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Y. Madhusri from DKGJC Nellore. Telecommunication is very useful in these days. We also interact with it a lot. Zoom classes also comes under this telecommunication skills. In this in this COVID time, with these Zoom classes are very useful in this time. Complete, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Vandana. You have really given a nice information. Thank you for your participation. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, please, now you can be in mute, Vandana. Thank you. And Jansi raised her hand. GVJC Jansi, GVJC Guntur. Yeah, Jansi, you can unmute yourself now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jansi.
Ma'am, shall I start?
Yes, you can.
Improved efficiency in communication. Communication is everything in market. Boost flexibility in working places. Improves teamwork. Boost customer relations and service. Save times, cost, and office space.
Yes. She has given a good example and given a good information regarding telecommunication, how it is useful to us, and it helps in marketing. Yes, this is the main thing, and also she added that it helps in saving time. Yes, you're right, Jansi. Thank you for your participation. So till now we discussed that the uses of telecommunication in education system, how it is useful in banking sector. How telecommunication is useful in banking sector. Banking lo telecommunication a role. What is the role of banking in telecommunication? So Anisha, yeah, unmute yourself, Anisha. Yeah, Anisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you're from which college, Anisha?
Kozlur Government College.
Kajlur Government College. Very good, Anisha. And can you say how telecommunication helps in banking sector? You know about telecommunication. What is telecommunication? Is communicating from distant places through electromagnetic waves. Signals నుంచి మనం we are communicating. So this kind of process, how it helps in banking sector. సో బ్యాంకింగ్ సెక్టర్లో టెలికమ్యూనికేషన్ ఎలా యూస్ అవుతుంది? Anisha, you can unmute and say one use with that. You can think, you can discuss. So where is Anisha? Isn't she in the session now? Okay, someone raised. Teresa GVJC Guntur. Yes. Yeah, you can unmute yourself, Teresa.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Teresa.
By using telecommunication in banking sector, the online transactions of customer by made online, and by using telecommunication, the transactions of customer like debit and credit transactions are made online.
Yeah, very
By
good. Yes, yes, yes. Online transactions can be happen. Teresa, continue. Yeah, she might have technical issue, I mean signal issues, poor network. And someone else raised M. Buria. Yeah, you can unmute yourself. You raised your hand. You can unmute yourself. M. Buria. You can unmute yourself. You raised your hand, no, so that you can unmute and you can speak now. Buria, you can unmute yourself now. You raised your hand. So unmute yourself and speak. Actually, Teresa is giving good information, but because of network issue, she has stopped in the middle. So we'll see some other one. So banking sector lo telecommunication ela use avutondi. Yeah, someone raised hand. Prashanti, you can unmute. Prashanti, you can unmute yourself now. And Prashanti raised her hand. So Prashanti, now you can unmute yourself and you can speak. Good morning, Prashanti.
Telecom communication. Major stockholders of banks and telecom who are performing key roles as content creators and providers along with their core strengths. At times, the telecom operators also attempt to serve as financial institutions by granting credit for micro payments as an extension of their basic service.
Yes.
Um,
Yes. Yeah. So to telecommunication, credits can be happen. So what? Yes. So we have Google Pay and Phone Pay. All this comes under financial sector only. Know that we can transfer money from one person to another person with. సో మనకి ఒక ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ అంటే పేపర్లెస్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ అంటే డిజిటల్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ అనేది బాగా జరుగుతుంది. యా వెరీ గుడ్ ప్రశాంతి. About the role of communication in and banking system. Communication plays a vital role in business and also. The main thing is how to use mobile. So telephone thing it plays a vital role. With the Android phone in our hands, everything is in our hand. I mean, it is in the size of a in the world. Gives everything to us. So there is a pocket thing. Why cities? It is a mobility. It has mobility, and we can take it from one place to another place. So attending a telephone call, we have some things to be followed to use telecommunication effectively. The first thing, if we are discussing about telecommunication, first thing comes in our mind is our telephone or the mobile phone. So telephone etiquette, look at this, what they're given. Answer the phone before the third ring. Answer calls and return missed calls within 24 hours. Always identify yourself when placing a call. Keep conversation brief, but not to the point of curtness. Address people by their names and titles as appropriate. Place a call on hold if necessary, rather than leaving a phone with an open line. Respond promptly to all requests. So when it is useful ante, this etiquette while we are taking up calls, ante business calls, personal calls, ante formal and informal communication ela anukunnamo, there is coming to formal communication through telecommunication. Formal communication through telecommunication undetappudu, and we have to follow some guidelines, instructions. What are those on TV? Because this creates, and telephone etiquette gives a good image of ours to others. Because though they are unable to see us, but with our behavior, they can assess us. They can assess us. So that we have to follow some rules like this, that answer the phone before the third ring, answer calls and return missed calls within 24 hours. Always identify yourself when placing a call. What do you mean by this? Always identify yourself when placing a call. So what do you understand by this? Always identify yourself when placing a call. Keep conversation brief, but not to the point of curse. Address people by their names and see here. Always identify yourself when placing a call. So what do you understand by this one? So is it clear now? Maithili, Prashanti, is my voice audible to you? Okay. So always give your identity when you're placing your placing a call on kada. What do you understand by that term? A term meeku em arthamaindi? I give your identity. That is nothing but ఎవరైనా మీకు ఏం అర్థమైంది? If you, what is the first idea in your mind regarding that sentence? మీరు అందరూ ఆ సెంటెన్స్ చూసే ఉంటారు కదా. What is the first idea in your mind regarding that? So anybody else? మీకు ఏమనిపించింది ఫస్ట్ ఆ సెంటెన్స్ చూడగానే? What is the idea in your mind? You can raise your hand or you can type in the chat box. If you raise your hand or you can type in the chat box your name. So then I'll give you a chance to speak. So as I said earlier, you can acquire this language only by practicing, only by speaking. Okay. Don't forget this. Don't forget this, that you can learn this only by practicing. You can speak either it is right or wrong. Any one of you please respond. First our sentence చూసే ఉంటారు కదా, చూడంగానే what is the first idea in your mind? అది చూడంగానే ఇలా అనిపించింది అని ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది కదా, ఒక సెంటెన్స్ చూడంగానే. Anybody from the participants? D Vidyasri. D Vidyasri. You unmute yourself, D Vidyasri. Someone raised hand. Teresa GVJC Guntur. Yes, you can unmute yourself and you can speak, Teresa, now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh, good morning, Teresa.
By using telecommunication, by this sentence, I can understand that we should use telecommunications very much.
Yeah, very good. Whatever your idea is, you shared with us. Actually, that means give your identity, means whenever you speak, you should introduce yourself. That is the one. That is the thing, you introduce yourself. Don't feel that whenever you made a call or whenever you receive your call, you should give your introduction. That is, I'm so and so. Not the introduction means not the lengthy one. You should tell your name. Understand? When you made a call or when you receive a call, you have to introduce yourself. Tell your identity. That is the one. Understand? That is the etiquette we have to follow. Yes, Spandana. Yes. Okay. Now we have, I said that you have to introduce yourself in speaking, means when answering a call. So how many ways we can introduce ourselves? Catchyga or one or two, one word sentence lo vachetappudu, what are the phrases we can use to introduce ourselves through a mobile phone? So evaraina cheppandi. Yeah, someone raised hand. Who is this legend? Now legend, you can unmute yourself and you can say, you can speak. Legend, raise your hand. Now you can unmute and you can speak. Legend. I don't know who is this legend. Yeah, someone. Yeah. So మనల్ని మనం ఎలా ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు within a one line లో? Yeah, Vandana, I'm repeating the question. Give your identity అనేది. ఆ sentence means give your identity. అంటే either you answer the call or you made a call, you have to introduce yourself. సో మనల్ని మనం ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసుకోవాలంటే నాట్ అ లెంతీ ప్రాసెస్. మొబైల్లో ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అంటే నాట్ ద హోల్ ఇవ్వకూడదు. సో మనం మన పేరు తెలిసేలాగా what are the phrases we can use and how can we introduce ourselves in a mobile? Only to give our identity. Only to give our identity. So if I made a call to someone else, how I introduce myself? I say that hello, I am Parvati from Rajahmundry. May I know who is speaking with me? So first thing ఏంటంటే, you can introduce us in the way of faithfulness in the call taking. Yeah, someone type. Let me check this. Others in the way of faithfulness in calls to talking with others, and I introduce myself. This is Spandana. I am from Nellore. This type am. Yeah. Spandana said that Spandana introduced herself. This is Spandana. I'm from Nellore. Very good. Yeah, what are you looking for? Very good. Pushpa. Hello, I'm Pushpa. Pushpa has given her. Hello, I'm Pushpa. May I know who is speaking? What are you looking for? Very good. Very good, Pushpa. GJC Kota Oratla, and she has given nice introduction. And also Spandana also. This is Spandana. I'm from Nellore. Yeah, okay. But one thing I'm telling you that, okay, through phone it may be acceptable. This is, but don't use that this is. I am or my name is. Madhusri from Nellore. And Madhusri and Madhusri and yeah, Jansi, Madhusri, yeah, Jansi said, hello, I'm Janu. Who is this? Okay, very good. Vandana Giddalur, good morning. Myself, you, Madhusri from Nellore. Hello, I am Lahari. Who is speaking there? Where are you from? Very good. Lahari also good. Hello, I am Prashanti from Guntur. Very good. Hello, I am Teresa. May I know who is speaking there? Okay, very good, Teresa. Yes, you have given, but most probably myself and this is okay. Some extent it's okay, but don't use myself. Okay, if it is good in informal introduction lo బాగుంటుంది, formal introduction lo myself అని చెప్పకూడదు. ఓకే, myself అనేది మీరు ఎప్పుడు చెప్తారంటే myself లహరి అలా చెప్పదు. I am Lahari. My name is Lahari. Yeah, they've used some different phrases here. Hello, I'm Chandini. Who is there speaking? Who is speaking with me? And I'll got you. May I know who is speaking? And also you can ask, could you tell me who is speaking with me? Hello, I'm Chandini. Who is there speaking? Hello, Madhusri speaking. Who is on the line? Very good, Madhusri. Who is on the line? Yeah, very good. Still different usages. Very good. So I'll unmute one by one. Whatever you have typed, you speak the same in the session. Okay. Yeah, first Spandana. Spandana, I'll allow you to speak. Wait. Spandana. So Spandana, unmute yourself and you tell the same what you have written in the chat box. Spandana.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
can introduce myself in the way of this is Spandana, who is talking there, and who is this man?
Yes, very good, Spandana. Thank you. Yeah. Next. After Spandana, GJC Kotaratla. GJC. Let me see the name. Yeah, Vandana Giddaluru. You can Vandana Giddaluru. Yeah, Vandana, you can unmute yourself and you can.
Hello, my hello, Madhusri speaking. Who's on the line?
Yeah, very good, very good. Yes. Yeah, very good, Madhusri. Thank you for your participation.
Thank you, ma'am.
సో జీజేసీ కోటవర్ అట్లా you can unmute and you can speak now. జీజేసీ కోటవర్ అట్లా 2 persons responded from that college. One is Pushpa and the other one is Prasad.
Hello,
Pushpa and Prasad. Hello.
I am Pushpa, madam. Introduce
Pushpa.
myself. Hello, who is on the line?
Hello, Pushpa.
I am from Kottaratla College. May I know who is speaking? And please tell your address, and I will send my resume.
Yeah, very good, very good. Please, okay. Very good, Pushpa, very good. And some
Thank you,
Prasad
ma'am.
also. Yeah, very good. Prasad also from the same place. Prasad. Prasad also. Yes, Lahari GVJC. Lahari GVJC Guntur, you can unmute.
Good morning,
Yes.
ma'am.
Good morning, Lahari.
Hello, I am Lahari. Who is speaking in there? Where are you from?
Very good. Very good, Lahari. Thank you for your participation. Maithili. Yeah, Maithili, now you can unmute yourself and you can speak. Maithili. Nidigunta Maithili. Maithili, unmute yourself. Maithili. Yeah, and Divya said, hello, this is Divya, who is in the line, online.
Madam.
Yes,
Yes, madam.
Maithili. Yeah, Maithili.
Good
Whatever
morning,
you.
madam.
Good morning, Maithili.
Hello, I am Maithili speaking here. Who speak on the line?
Who is speaking on the line? Who is on the line? You can ask that. Who is on the line? May I know who is on the line? May I know who is speaking with me? Could you please tell me who are you? You can also use these things. Thank
Okay,
you,
madam.
Maithili. Thank you, Maithili.
Thank you, madam.
So one more thing is that yesterday I said regarding video making. సో వీడియో మేకింగ్ గురించి చెప్పాను. వీడియో మేకింగ్ గురించి చెప్తూ మీకు ఒక ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ కూడా ఇచ్చాను. దట్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఆఫ్ వాచింగ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియా అనేది మీకు టాపిక్ తీసుకుని ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ టు స్పీక్ హియర్. సో అట్లీస్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ కమింగ్ విత్ దట్ ఐ సెడ్ దట్ ఐ విల్ కరెక్ట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. సో ఐ విల్ కరెక్ట్ యూ. So how many of you prepared? for that? How many of you prepared for that? Just raise your hand. None of you. So what is this? I'm telling you from 3 days. Actually, this is yesterday's task. I said give your self-introduction and about the topic, and we have already discussed. We have already discussed about the topic. So GVGC control. Yes, Lahari. Yes, Lahari. Introduce first. You have to introduce yourself and about English media watching. English media watching. Yes, Lahari. So first introduce yourself and introduce the topic and speak about it. Lahari, are you ready to speak now? Yeah, very good, Lahari. You're a good initiator. So you can unmute yourself, Lahari, now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lahari.
Good morning. I am Lahari, studying in Government Vocational Junior College, Guntur. My batch number is 6. My English name is Arna. I am very glad to have such a great opportunity to express my views on English media. English is a language which helps us to speak with any citizen in any country. English media helps us in improvement of our speaking skills. We can develop our spoken English skills by reading newspapers, listening to English news, etc. There are more than 6,500 languages around the world spoken by billions of people. We can't choose which one we are going to speak as our mother tongue, but we can decide which language we are going to speak as a second language. English is also used in international business. If you want to work abroad or advance your career, then learning English should be in your top of the list. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Lahari. Can you make this as video? Lahari? Lahari, are you in the session? Yeah, okay. Lahari, I'll send my name is Parvati, and you can you send your video to me as early as possible. Already you are okay with these things, no? But only thing is you have to make it as for 3 or 4 minutes, so that what you have to do is you drag your self introduction more. ఎలా అంటే ఫస్ట్ నీ సెల్ఫ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ ఇచ్చి నెక్స్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్పీక్ అబౌట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ సిగ్నిఫికెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్. యూ కెన్ సే టాపిక్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ ఎలా ఇస్తామంటే I would like to share with you about the significance of English language and చెప్పి whatever the matter you have spoken now, you can speak the same in that video. Yeah, thank you, Larry. Yeah, Jansi now. Jansi is ready to speak. Jansi, unmute yourself, Jansi now. Thank you, Lahari. Thank you for your participation. And really, it's a very wonderful presentation. Now, Jansi, you can unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jansi.
Good morning. I am Jansi, studying in Government Vocational Junior College, Guntur. My batch number is 6. My English ma'am name is Saruna. Now I want to share some feelings about English medium. English is used also as international business. If you want to work abroad or advance your career, then living in English should top your list. Nowadays, learning to speak English is very easy. It is one of the most dominating languages. More career opportunities, the top languages of the internet make it is easy to understand other languages, make you smarter. Speaking English gives you access to the world of entertainment. It helps people who they are using technology products all through growth of technology increasing continuously. English also helps the student to understand the subject that written in English properly. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jansi. You also, can you send your video to me?
Okay, ma'am.
I will also, I'll give my number to you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Lahariki పంపించారు కదా ma'am, can take from Lahari?
Yes, yes, you can take number from her, Lahari. The same number, Jansi.
Okay, ma'am.
Who is your spokesperson there?
Aruna ma'am.
Aruna ma'am. Can you ask her to give her number through a private chat? Ma'am, Aruna ma'am.
Ma'am, can I give to phone to Aruna ma'am?
Yes, yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, with the
Yeah, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am. Hello.
Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am. Aruna, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Aruna, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. You're grazing your children. Very good, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
May I get your contact number, ma'am, through private chat? Can you give
Okay,
your...
ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, I will send.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Your children are participating well, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you. And anybody else? Anybody else ready with your presentation? So tomorrow we'll discuss on English. Divya Guntur is used to the world. This language used for all international business. And Divya GJC Guntur. Divya GJC Guntur. Divya, please unmute yourself, Divya. Divya GJC Guntur. Please unmute yourself. Yes. Divya, can you also make your video? Oh, Divya Guntur. Okay, I'll type. So Divya, I have given my number to you, and make a video and send it to me. So they're completing their task. What are the others? By tomorrow, better choose a topic. We have discussed English at different places, self-introduction and composition and comprehension, and English media watching. You can take any of these topics. You can speak on these things, whatever you know about. So composition and comprehension of the activities helps in learning a language, and English at different places helps you communicate at different places. English media watching helps you in learning accurate pronunciation. So Nilugunta Maithili also responded. Maithili. Yeah, Maithili, I'll share my number to you also. Maithili, I'm sharing my number to you, and you also can call me, and I'll give you directions, or I'll guide you in making your video. English at various places helps us in communicating various places, and whereas English media watching helps us in learning the language, it helps in learning vocabulary, rich vocabulary, and also helps in learning accurate pronunciation too. Understand? These are the activities helps you to improve your English language knowledge and pronunciation, speaking, everything. So at least for tomorrow, you can choose any of these topics. The topics are I'm typing in the chat box. Have a look at these things and prepare on this. The topics are self-introduction, composition and comprehension, English at different places, English media watching, also you can add today's topic also, which we are dealing now, that is telecommunication. You can choose any of these topics for your video preparation. So remember the instructions that you have to introduce yourself, and also you have to introduce your introduce your college name, like which name of the college, which district, and which batch 6. You are the students of batch 6. Mention that also, and your self introduction and about the topic. Okay. So I have typed the topics in the chat box. Look at this and prepare for a video which should be sent to Board of Intermediate Education. So please be cautious. Finish this task as early as possible. So how many colleges are participating in this session? From each college, everyone from all the colleges have to do this task. So please make it as early as possible. Okay, not only that, so someone in today's session, many said some phrases to introduce themselves in while answering a phone call. So you also, so other children also. So okay, Divya, okay. So Meeta Pillal and who are there in the session also have to come up with your introductions, sentences, like how you introduce yourself while answering a phone call. Phone call answer చేసేటప్పుడు ఎవరి స్టైల్ వాళ్ళకుంటుంది. Either it is maybe formal or informal. One or two sentences are enough. So either one sentence or you are good at, you can say that introduction in 2 sentences also. So దాన్ని రేపు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. And also concentrate on video making also. Have you got? So for tomorrow, 1 or 2 sentences lo you when you answer your phone call ని ఆన్సర్ చేసేటప్పుడు 1 or 2 sentences లో మిమ్మల్ని మీరు ఎలా ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసుకుంటారు అన్నది ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. Already we have seen some phrases today. I'm so and so, may know who is speaking, who is on the line. Maybe formal or informal. Formal అయినా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, informal లోనైనా చెప్పొచ్చు. అది ప్లస్ వీడియో మేకింగ్ టాపిక్స్ ఆల్రెడీ నేను మీకు పెట్టాను చాట్ బాక్స్లో, ఒకసారి చూడండి. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ రిపీటింగ్ దోస్ టాపిక్స్ ఆల్సో. The topics are self-introduction, composition and comprehension, English at different places, English media watching, telecommunication. You can take any of these topics for making a video. Okay. Have a nice day to you all.